Hi friends, I am Preeti Agrawal. Welcome to my channel. In this video, going to discuss an important unit of paper 1, that is logical reasoning. What is logical reasoning? This is nothing else. That is the questions and conclusions are to be tested according to the given statement. In this topic, we need not to learn a lot. Only few terms are there which we need to clarify to solve the problems. Let's discuss the key terms. One is deductive reasoning. What is that? Reasoning from where we are able to get a specific idea from general statement. What is that statement? That is, poets are honest. Mohan is a poet. यहाँ मैंने एक एग्जाम्पल लिए है जिसमें ये दो स्टेटमेंट्स हैं जिनके बेस पे मैं एक स्पेसिफिक आइडिया जनरेट कर रही हूँ दैट इज मोहन इज ऑनेस्ट सो दिस इज नोन एज डिडक्टिव रीजनिंग नेक्स्ट वन इज योर इंडक्टिव रीजनिंग जहां पे जनरल स्टेटमेंट आर यूज टू गेट सम स्पेसिफिक कंक्लूजन्स सी नाउ व्हाट इज जनरल स्टेटमेंट जो कि सभी पे अप्लाई राइट स्पेसिफिक का मीनिंग है जो कि किसी एक वन पर्टिकुलर की बात कर रहे हैं ओके अब देखिए यहाँ पे हम स्पेसिफिक कंक्लूजन डिराइव करेंगे राइट फ्रॉम सम जनरल स्टेटमेंट मोहन हु इज अ क्रिकेटर इज गुड इन मैथमेटिक्स समेश हु इज अ क्रिकेटर इज गुड इन मैथमेटिक्स राइट अब हमने कंक्लूजन क्या ड्रॉ किया दैट इज जितने भी क्रिकेटर्स हैं दे आर गुड इन मैथमेटिक्स सो दैट इज व्हाई दिस इज कॉल्ड इंडक्टिव रीजनिंग नाउ syllogisms is nothing else that is the arguments on the basis of which we are giving the conclusions that is also deductive argument right कि जहाँ जिसमें हम एक आइडिया या जनरेट करते हैं ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ सम स्पेसिफिक स्टेटमेंट नाउ दिस इज डिडक्टिव आर्ग्यूमेंट कैन बी वैलिड और इनवैलिड वैलिड कब होगी when my premise is true and the conclusion is also true otherwise it will become invalid inductive argument is that argument in which what we are doing, we are just getting the specific conclusions on the basis of some general ideas, right? It can be strong and it can be weak. So, कब strong होगा अगर मेरा conclusion true है with full assurance. It will be weak if the conclusion is not true, not guaranteed. Conductive argument क्या है कि जब मेरी प्रेमिसेस है आर कन्वर्जेंट व्हाट डज इट मीन कि इट इज फोकसिंग इट इज सपोर्टिंग अ पर्टिकुलर कंक्लूजन फॉर एग्जांपल Jail is a place near Shimla right this is a peaceful area उसकी surroundings beautiful है and there is also jungle safari तो यहाँ पे एक particular place की बात कर रहा है so उस पे मैंने ये conclusion लिया कि I will spend next summer vacations in that place so this is known as conductive argument now the next one is your counter arguments that is the arguments जो कि हमें यूनिवर्सल आर्ग्यूमेंट्स के बेस पे बात करते हैं बट whenever something exceptional is coming which makes that statement false that is known as counter argument इस चीज को हमने काउंटर कर दिया कि हमने इसको रॉन्ग प्रूव कर दिया यहाँ पे मैंने एक आर्ग्यूमेंट लिया है कि all senior citizens are lazy but yes this argument can be invalid for a senior citizen who is very active so that is known as counter argument. Now the another one is analogies. This is nothing else. इंडक्टिव आर्ग्यूमेंट है क्योंकि यहाँ पे दो तीन हमें सिमिलर थिंग्स को बताया जा रहा है, रिलेट किया जा रहा है। ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट हमारे पास जो नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट है हम उसके ऊपर कंक्लूजन देते हैं। हियर सी द कोर्ट डिसाइडेड फॉर द रिट्रीवर इन द फॉक्स केस। अब वो इस केस को देख रहे हैं कि वो किससे रिलेट कर रहे हैं। दिस फॉक्स केस इज सिमिलर टू द बेसबॉल केस। ये हमारी आर्ग्यूमेंट 1 थी। Court decided for the retriever again in the fish case, right? Fish case is similar to the baseball case. ये second चीज आई कि जो fish case है वो भी उसके जैसा है। Now decided for the pursuer in the whale case. So that is also similar to that case, right? So these are the different for analogies. So on that basis, we are giving the decision. Now the circular argument. This is an argument जहाँ पे start होती है वहीं पे end हो जाती है. For example, whenever you are arguing with your parent, whenever you are arguing with teacher, whenever there is some friends who are arguing. Here I have given an example. It's a time to go to bed, but the child is asking why, because it's your bedtime. So it keeps. It started and it ended. Now the relational argument. This is symmetrical relationship which is a valid argument when if A is equal to B and the B is also equal to A. A symmetrical relationship which is invalid. Why? If I am telling कि A is less than B है, then B is less than A, not necessarily. Non-symmetrical जो relation है, it can be valid or invalid. If A is the brother of B and B is the brother of A, possible भी हो सकता है, B sister भी हो सकती है. So that is why non-symmetrical relation can be valid or invalid. इसी तरह से transitive relations है. This is valid when I'm telling if A is equal to B, B, C, then A is equal to C. Intransitive relations, that is invalid. If I am saying that A is the daughter of B and B is the daughter of C, then A is the daughter of C, right? Because A cannot be. Non-transitive relations are also valid or invalid. If A is a friend of C, B is a friend of C, then A is a friend of C. It is possible. It is also not possible. So such statements are possible and not possible. So that is why we call them, it can be valid or invalid. Okay. So with this, these are were the key terms. And in the next video, going to discuss the questions based on this. Till the next time, do revise these terms. All the best. Keep learning. Happy learning.